So hello and welcome back guys to another YouTube video, I guess, after a very long time. And I do have cold. Okay, I have cold, I'm sick, but I just felt like making this video. So okay, fuck it. So what we are gonna do today is I do have two DMs here, okay, just for the demonstration, and I have a Discord account here. Okay, this is my Discord account. You can connect with me if you want to, if you would like to. So what I'm gonna do here is that let me actually close Discord so that it gets refreshed. So some days ago, what I did was I used Vencord, of course. Like who doesn't? Everyone should use Vencord. And I do have my own plugin, okay, in Vencord. I have this plugin called DM Cleaner, and as the name suggests, you would have guessed, it basically cleans the DM. Okay, it's a bulk message deletion tool or extension or whatever you want to call it for Discord, or maybe I should say Vencord. So now the issue with this is actually there is no issue, but the one concern is that if I want to delete messages from some DMs, of course I'm not going to open these DMs. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, so sorry, my bad. So yeah, what I was saying was that if I want my messages to be deleted from these DMs, okay, and which I am not gonna open here, of course, for privacy concerns and reasons. So what I will need is I will need my Discord app to be open, my PC to be opened, as a whole in this scenario. But what if I want to, shut my system down because I cannot keep my whole ass beast PC running just because of a very small thing like this? So, do I have any other option? So yeah, what I can do is I can take the core concept of this extension. Okay, I can take the core concept of this extension in the form of a js.js file, okay, and I can make a CLI tool out of it, right? And then I can maybe host that on a Linux server or another server, basically, even on my phone using Termux, if you know what I'm talking about. Of course, if you don't know, then I don't know why the hell are you watching this video in the first place. Okay, sorry, that was very rude. I'm really sorry, but I hope you're getting what I'm saying. If you do not get what I'm saying, it's fine. You can text me on Discord. So basically, I'm gonna use this extension, this plugin, but through a CLI. Okay, and I have already made a CLI version of it, which is in my downloads folder. So if I show you and then DM, okay, 1 minute, and then DM to what the Discord DM. Okay, so this is the script. Okay, so I will just like copy it. Okay, let's copy it. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna SSH into my home server. Actually, I do have a very old laptop. Okay, I had a very old laptop which now I have made a server out of it. If I show you, if I fast fetch here, as you can see, it's like a very old laptop, like Pentium V958 is running. So I have made a SSH server out of it. I mean, it has GUI as well, but most of the times I use it as a server. So what I can do is I can make you know I can make a folder here, maybe scripts. I do have a folder already made called Discord, and everything is set up inside the folder, but just for the sake of showing you, I am gonna make a folder called scripts, and then I'm gonna cd into scripts, and I'll make a file called vmcleaner.js, okay, or maybe Discord DM cleaner, Discord DM cleaner.js, okay, and then I paste everything inside it. Okay, that is nice. Now I will need to install Node.js. Okay, so I use Arch, by the way, so I'll just Node.js needed flag. Okay, I is basically just an alias for sudo pacman -s. So here I install it, and it is saying that it's skipping the installation because I have it installed and it's up to date. So in your case, you will need to install this package called Node.js, which is of course Node.js. Now you just need to run Node.js and then the file name, and then just press enter. And okay, I'm a dumb fuck. Okay, do not repeat the mistake. I am pretty sure you want not Node.js. You have to node discord dm cleaner.js and then just run it, and see, it gives you a warning here, but it asks for your discord token, which is very obvious. You can even check the code. It doesn't send your discord token to me or anywhere on a server of mine or some shit like that. It's fine. Okay, you can give the code to AI as well for the inspection. Then just come here and basically open console by pressing Control Shift I. Okay, initially it will open elements, but you have to of course open the console, and when you'll be using it for the first time, you'll of course need to allow the pasting option, right? So then you will need to enter this command. Make sure you have Vencord installed. Okay, it is Vencord and not the default Discord. Okay, the stock Discord. So I'll give this in my description as well. Just enter this command, and then you will get the token of your account. You don't get very happy or excited. Okay, I'm gonna change the token anyways after this video. So of course I'm not that dumb. No one is. Yeah, this is the token of my account, so I'll just need to copy it, and then I will go here, and then I will just paste it. Now it will ask you, do you want to save this token for future use? Okay, so what is the use of this function is that it basically creates a .json file in the same directory as your JS file. Okay, I'll show you that later. So you can either save it so that you do not get to enter the do not need to enter the what do we call it, token again and again, or you can just decide to keep it as same. But what the fuck am I saying? You just know what I'm saying. I don't know, I'm fucking lazy. You just press enter, and then it will ask you for a minimum delay. I would recommend just enter. Okay, leave it as default. If you know what this is, then you can also change it. So these are the DMs I have currently opened. As you can see in here, it automatically detects that. So so enter number separated by commas, range like 1 to 5. Everything is written here. You just have to fucking read the instructions and control it. I would like to delete my messages from every single DM, so I'll just do all, and then just press enter, and then set up message filters. There are message filters as well, but I am not gonna use them. Okay, and start deletion. Yeah, so just press Y. Okay, and enter, and it will start the deletion. Okay, as you can see, and it is actually being deleted in real time. Of course I cannot open the DMs, but you get me what I'm saying, right? So this is actually deleting my DMs from my messages from these DMs. Okay, so now if I show you for now, let me just cancel it. Okay, it has already deleted 20 messages. That's enough. Let me cancel it. So now if I show you, if I ls here, so as you can see, along with the JS file, I have got another file called tokens.json. Okay, so if I cd into it, no, not cd, what am I doing? If I open it, as you can see, I have the token here of the account and ID and everything here. Okay, so it is capable of, as you can see, okay, it is a JSON file which says a lot. Okay, so it has the capability of keeping multiple accounts. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So I'll just quit it. So for example, if I have multiple accounts, which you can see that I do have, So I'll open another account here. Okay, this one. So, and of course I will run the same command here as well. Here I have another token, and let me just copy it quickly. So for example, if I want to delete stuff from this account, okay, so now I'll run the file again, and this time if I do have that JSON file in the current folder, it will automatically detect it, and then it will show me this prompt, saved accounts. If I do wanna continue, if I do want to use the same account I used before, or I want to create a new token, add a new account, or I want to remove a saved account. Okay, if I press 2 here, for example, and I enter my Discord token like this, and yeah, of course save it for future use, enter, and then I cancel it. Okay, now if I run it again, as you can see, now I do have like my 2 accounts here. Okay, and it also has the capability of, oh, who the fuck is getting raped in front of my house? Okay, my bad. Yeah, so I was saying that yeah, if I want to remove an account from here, okay, I'll just press 4 and then enter, and then I can choose the account I want to remove. Does it support like comma separation? I don't think so. It does. Yeah, it doesn't. But yeah, of course, I am assuming you're not gonna have a lot of like 15 to 20 accounts here, so it's easy. Remove 41. Yes, remove it, and then I run the command again, and I do have this account here, and I, of course, if I want to use this one, I will just do this and then enter, and it will automatically detect with the DMs I have opened, as you can see here, which is pretty fine, but I would cancel it. Okay, it's very messy. Yeah, now it's better. I'll just remove it 3, and then yeah, remove Kevin, and then if I ls now, I do have the tokens.json, but it should be empty now. As you can see, it's empty now. Yeah, so that was it for the video. Let me just go back and rf scripts this folder, because I do already have it, right? Wait, ls discord. What's wrong with my typing? As you can see, I already have it set it up here. So so yeah, that was it for the video. If you liked the video, you can like it, or I don't know what the fuck to even say, to be really honest. So, I'll see you in another video if I will make one, or otherwise fuck you. Bye bye, have a good day. See you.